Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are working on what cycle theorems. Are you okay? So I have a question for us, all of us to solve. Are you okay? But before this, let's look at some of the basic laws governing what cycle theorem, and then we come back to the question. Are you guys okay? So the first step that we are going to talk about, law that we are going to talk about, is the angle at the center of the cycle is twice the angle on the circumference of the cycle when the points all lie on the what same arc. So let's take this for example. This is our arc here. Are you guys okay? On the circumference. So this is a point and this is a point. Are we okay? So it's like when the angle at the center, is twice the angle on the circumference when the point all meets at the same what arc. Are you okay? So looking at this, the point here meet at this, from the center they all meet at this, and this from the circumference they all meet at this. So we can say that what 2x of this, that's twice of this, is what this. Are we okay? That means if here is what 60, we divide 60 by what 2, which is 30. That means here will be what 30. That means our angle ABC will be 30. Again, if here is what 15, our angle ABC is 15 degrees. Don't forget the degree sign. That means to find our angle AOC will be what twice the 15. That means 2 times what 15, which will be what 30 degrees. That means here will become what 30 degrees, the angle here. Are we okay? Okay, so let's take another example. Looking at this, they are all having what this is a circumference. This is a point at the circumference with the same arc. That means what here they are saying that this angle, let's name this to be A, B, C, and D. That means what our A angle what A, B, D will be equal to angle what A, C, D, because they are coming from what the same, they are meeting at the same point on the what circumference or the arc. Are you okay? So this point will be equal to this. Are you okay? This is different from the first one that we just solved. Are you okay? So if here is 30 degrees, here will also give us what 30 what degrees. Are you okay? So let's try and add this, is the center. Are you okay? Let's try and add these two, the point here meeting at the same arc. So if here is 30, here will be what 2 times this. So here will give us what 60 degrees. Are we okay? This will be what twice of this, because this is the center. They are all meeting at what the same point on the arc. Are we okay? So let's look at this, the next law. So I have, if the radius or the diameter of a cycle meeting a tangent, when the radius of a cycle meeting a tangent gives an angle 90 degrees on the circumference of the cycle. That means what this is a radius and this is a diameter. This is our center. So this is the diameter. 2 multiplied by the radius will give us the diameter. That means when the radius of a cycle meeting a tangent on the circumference give us an angle 90 degrees. The same applies here. This is a diameter meeting a point at on the circumference give us angle 90 degrees. Are you guys okay? So let's go back to our example and then let's try and then resolve our question. So looking at this, we say our B, the line BD is what? It's a diameter. Are you okay? Our BD is a diameter. So now let's find out angle CBD. So you have to find angle C, where is the C, B, and D. So he has to find this angle. He has to find angle what? CBD. So he has to what? Find this. Now looking at this will be equal to this. I hope I'm not wrong. This angle 33 degrees, because they are all coming from what? The same point on the arc, on the circumference. Are we okay? So looking at this, we can say this is equal to this. So we can say that angle what? DAC is equal to what? Angle what? CBD, which is what? 3 degrees. Are you okay with our first step? So let's move the first question. So let's move to the second one. You have to find angle ACD. So that angle, so we know here is what? 33 degrees. Angle ACD. Where is our ACD? Are you guys okay? So, but we know that here is what? From here to here is what? A diameter. So meeting this line, meeting at what? A circumference will give us what? Angle what? 90 degrees. So that means what? 90 minus what? 42 degrees will give us what? 48 degrees. Are we okay? That means what? Our angle ACD is what? 48 degrees. Are you guys okay? So let's move to our last question, which is angle AXB. Angle AXB. So where's our angle AXB? So we have to find this, right? We have to find this. Okay, we know that here is what? This angle is what? 8 degrees, and this, they are all coming from the same point on the what? Arc. So here to be what? 48 degrees. Are we okay? So now we also know that what? All the angles in a triangle sum up to what? 180 degrees. Are you okay? So looking at what? Angle, a triangle. Looking at triangle BDC, the angle, all the angles here must sum up to what? 180 degrees. And we know this angle is what? 33, and this 90. So that means when we add 90 to what? Our 33, we are getting what? 123. When we add this to this, we are getting what? 120 what? 3. That means you have to subtract that 123 from what? 180. Are you guys getting it? Which will give us what? 57 degrees. Are you okay? So now adding, looking at this and this angle here, they are all coming from the same arc point on the same what? Arc or circumference. Are you okay? That means here too will be what? 57 degrees. Also, all angles in a triangle add up to what? 180 degrees. So what's our x? So that means our x plus what? This angle, that's 57 degrees, plus what? This angle, that's what? 48 degrees, must add up to what? 180 degrees. So that means here our x plus, so when we add these two, what are we getting? 48 plus 57 will give us what? 105, which must be equal to what? Degrees. this must be equal to what? 180 degrees. Are you okay? So what? Making x the subject, we are sending what? Positive 105 to the other side, so it will become what? Negative. So 180 minus what? 105. So this will give us what? When you subtract this from this, we are getting what? 70 what? 5 degrees. Are we okay? So that means what? Our angle AXB will be what? 75 degrees. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.